Hello everyone, I'm Blizzard, also known as Snowy, because I like snow. Now I'm going to introduce myself to you. Now, before I introduce you, let me tell you an important thing. My goal is to reach 220k subs, or can do more. Just hit the subscribe button and like my video, it will really appreciate me. Then comment something sarcastic. If you do that, I will be really happy. If you do that, it will appreciate me a lot. So first let me introduce myself. Now you may think from which version I'm playing. So I'm playing from version 1.54, which is an old version. Though I forgot which year it was released. So I think of what's my favorite food. My favorite food is everything like chicken nuggets, chicken and more. Now I can't tell you that it's a funny thing that like chicken because I'm a non-vegetarian. I think of why because I like chickens. Yes, and that's a funny thing. Think of why I am in this place here, because I need to watch FIFA World Cup at the stadium. You may heard of FIFA World Cup 2026. Drop your country in the comments too, so I will decide who will win. Then that will predict myself away. Now I will show you what my favorite things are do in Toca Boca. Now think of my favorite place in Toca Boca is this place, because I spent so much time here. Yes. No, I can go other places too, but not today, but on next video. No, or you can say that I'm going to upload only twice a week. Means I can upload approximately 8 to 10 videos on my channel in a month. Okay, that means I'm uploading 120 videos my channel in a year. Yes, that's actually good. Now that's it. Thank you so much. Now like the video, subscribe my channel, me reach my goal. Here is a free hot dog for you. First let me take a bite, then I will bring up some for you. Okay, here's one. Okay, I think that bug gave me. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for free notifications also.